Hello children, welcome to the Varida classes. So today we will talk about the days of week in German language. In our earlier videos we had dealt with the greetings and this is all about the weekdays. So let's start then. In German language, the weekdays are known as Wochentage. So we'll start with the Monday first. Let's see what do we say all these days in German. Montag, Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Now there are 2 days which are remaining which come under weekend. Those are considered to be the weekends. And weekend in German is known as das Wochenende. Das Wochenende. Now which are these 2 days? Samstag, Saturday, and Sonntag, Sunday. We would again revise this because it's very important to speak these words correctly. I'll speak and please listen carefully. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, dann Samstag, Sonntag. I would repeat again. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Now, we are going to see some important details about these days which is going to be very relevant. So let us see here. If we add S to these days of weeks, their meaning becomes different. For example, if we add S to Montag, its meaning becomes that every Monday. Whereas if we add AM, that is just before Montag, it has the meaning that on that particular day, that is on Monday. So how would I differentiate these two words? Montags means every Monday of the week. And Montag means not every Monday of that week, but only that particular Monday. So let us see. For each day of the week, we'll practice this concept. And you have to keep in mind because it's going to help you in the further higher classes. Montags habe ich Klavierunterricht. On Mondays have I Piano class. Oder am Montag habe ich Klavierunterricht. On Monday I have Klavierunterricht. You can understand the difference here that on Monday, when on Monday, it doesn't tell us that every Monday. Again, we'll see this with the next day. Dienstags kommt meine Oma zu Besuch. On Tuesdays, my grandmother comes to visit me. On the Tuesdays, on every Tuesday of the week, she comes to visit me. This means that. But if I speak am Dienstag kommt meine Oma zu Besuch, that means on when she is coming for a visit on Tuesday. This doesn't talk about like every Tuesday of the week. I hope it's clear. Again, I want to repeat it with every day of the week so that the things or concept becomes very much clear to you. Mittwochs gehe ich schwimmen. On every Wednesday, I go for swimming. Oder am Mittwoch gehe ich schwimmen. When are you going for swimming? on Wednesday. Not every Wednesday, sorry, not each Wednesday of the week. So, Donnerstags mache ich Party. On Thursdays. Every week on Thursdays I make party. Oder am Donnerstag mache ich Party. When have you party? On Thursday. So, next day also clears this. Here, Freitags besuche ich meine Großeltern. On Fridays I visit my grandparents. Oder am Freitag besuche ich meine Großeltern. When are you going to visit your grandparents? Am Freitag. On Friday. So, I suppose till now this concept is quite clear to you now. Further, with the Samstag I'm going to do this. Samstags treffe ich meine Freunde. Saturdays I meet my friends. Oder am Samstag treffe ich meine Freunde. On Saturday I meet my friends. When are you going to meet your friends? On Saturday. Samstags treffe ich meine Freunde. How often you meet your friends? Every Saturday of the week. Samstags, every Saturday. Sonntags gehe ich Kino. Gehe ich ins Kino. On Sundays. Try to understand. On Sundays, I go to cinema every Sunday of the week. That means 4 days a month I go to cinema. Am Sonntag gehe ich ins Kino. When are you going to the cinema? On Sunday. Not every Sunday. I suppose the things are now clear. Now, we are going to have a Zusammenfassung, whatever we have learnt till now. Zusammenfassung means summary. Here it is. Monday, Montag. Montags, every Monday. Am Montag, on Monday. Tuesday, Dienstag. Dienstags, every Tuesday. Am Dienstag, on that particular Tuesday. Wednesday, Mittwoch. Mittwochs, every Wednesday. Am Mittwoch, on that particular Wednesday. Thursday, Donnerstag. Donnerstags, every Thursday. Am Donnerstag, on that particular Thursday. Freitag. Friday. Freitags, on Fridays. Am Freitag, on that particular Friday. Saturday. Samstag. Samstags, on Saturdays. Am Samstag, on that particular Saturday. Sunday. Sonntag. Sonntags, on all Sundays. Am Sonntag, on that particular Sunday. So, this is the Zusammenfassung. I hope now the weekdays is quite clear to you all and you will learn them by heart. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. I once again repeat for you. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. One tip I want to give you at the end of this video, that these words are very easy to learn if we relate them with the English words. Montag is resembling to the Monday, C-M-O-N, and Dienstag is different. Yes, this we have to learn separately. Wednesday also is different. Mittwoch, but we can always remember relating this to the literal meaning. Mit means in the middle and Woch means Woch comes from Woche. Woche is week, which the day which comes in the middle of the week is Mittwoch. Thursday is also different, Donnerstag, but we have Freitag once again resembling to the Friday. Samstag a bit resembling, yeah, it also has SA and as we have in Saturday. And Sunday is Sonntag and Sunday. Sun in English is sun in English, and in German sun is Sonne. The die Sonne we can say. So Sonntag, we have 4 words which are resembling to that of in English: Montag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Whereas Dienstag, Mittwoch and Donnerstag you have to learn thinking and relating literally. So last revision: Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. So here we come to an end of this video, and in the next video we are going to deal with the months of year and seasons. Till then, thank you very much and vielen Dank.